Hello friends, today I am going to discuss one mark questions and answer from the lesson of Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye, written by George Mikes. Already these lessons have been taught you, means explained. Even I have given a summary of these lessons, but today I am going to discuss one mark question and answers. See, the first question is executively well mannered people refer to who is which country? Japanese people, well mannered people, according to George Mikes. When he visited to Japan, then what he observed means this one, well mannered people in Japan. Question number 2, what behavior substitutes in Japan? Courtesy. What behavior substitutes in Japan? That is courtesy. Question number 3, hierarchy in bowing demands. Hierarchy bowing demands. ABC answer. Youngsters bow to their elders, wife bows to her husband, sister bows to their husbands. The answer is all the above. All these three means all these three are. Youngsters bows to their elders, and wife bows to her husbands, and sister bows to their brothers. This is the family hierarchy. Are there. Question number 4. What is called a man's castle in Japan? Man's castle. Castle means our telephone receivers. A man's telephone receiver. That it is on that telephone where it is on counter, because there is no space in that country, because it is a small island and having a overcrowded people, so they don't have spaces to keep a telephone booth. So that's why in restaurant, in hotel, in other and so on counter only they kept a red telephone booth. The people who wants to call, they come on the counter and to call. Yeah. So at that time, who passer-bys, they won't listen their talking, their matters. That is called a courtesy. What is the sign of appreciation of eating soup? The question number 5th. That answer is to make a fearful noise. While eating soup, they have to make a fearful noise. While eating soup, they have to make a fearful noise. That is their culture. That is their appreciations. Question number 6. Name the animal that bowed to George Mikes. Deer. The deer bows to George Mikes. Why do Japanese make a fearful noise while eating soap? It is a sign of appreciations. It is a sign of appreciations. Whom, according to George Mikes, do the Japanese stores employ? Japanese stores employ bowing girls. So, if you go to somewhere in the restaurant or mall or anywhere, at the gate or at the door, who stands? A girl. When customers, means people are enters in the restaurant or in that for purchasing anything or for having food, so at that time they bow. That is their respective manners. What the driver and pedestrians finally do after they chase in Brazil's? A smile amicable at each other. A smile amicable, a friendly amicable, without tension, without any emotions, tensions, crying. They give a smile. According to Japanese, have mania for. Mania means respect, bowing. Mania means what? Respect. Respect means bowing. What, according to Mikes, is quainter and more formal? Bowing. That is. All the sisters in Japanese family bow to all the brothers of whatever age, even younger also they have to bow. The sisters should bow to younger as well as elder brothers. That is their rule of hierarchy. That is their mania of hierarchy. Name the place where the narrator met bowing deer. Name the place where the narrator met a bowing deer. In one of the parts of Nara there. That deer met to George Mikes. Question number 14. In Japan, if we don't appreciate the soup by making a fearful noise, what would the host think? The guest is an ill-mannered loud. Loud means sound. See, the foreigners, they come to their countries, and while eating the soup, if they won't appreciate the while eating soup, while making a fearful noise, then the host thing means the country's people, the Japanese people think to us is a ill-mannered. It is an ill-mannered. They think like that. Okay, see. Whom do the driver in Brazil look out for? Pedestrians. The pedestrians. As soon as see, if the driving, if suppose a car, vehicle, any four-wheeler vehicles are driving, and suddenly if pedestrians got down on their road, if they look, they make a accelerator more. They make a more accelerator. That is their life in Brazil. Whose life is becoming more hazardous in Brazil every day? Pedestrians. Hazard, very difficult lives. They are pedestrians. How are the grey pavements in the streets of Copacabana decorated? That city name. How are the grey pavements in the street of Copacabana decorated with a beautiful mosaics. Mosaics means decorating. A beautiful decorating. Mosaic means a beautiful decorating. So a unique type of decorations. Question number 18. What are extremely expensive in Brazil? Motor cars. Expensive in Brazil. What? Motor cars. More are there. Already have shown in the image while explaining the summary of these lessons. What do leisurely characters refer to? The easygoing Brazils who are not hurried to reach their destination. Leisurely means there is no rule in the Brazil. There is no rule about the traffics. They have to go as slow as. Means there is no hurry to reach to their destinies. Like that, have a traffic rule in Brazil. Name the place where one can see the worst traffic of all in Brazil. Name the place. Which the Avenida Presidente Vargas, that place name. Avenida Presidente Vargas. In that place have a worst traffic. Worst traffic having in that place, in that city in Brazil. Mikes described Japanese as being overcrowded. Means Japanese, George Mikes described the Japanese people, Japanese countries. It is a small island and having a overcrowded people are there. Overcrowded. He was telling, he described. An hour in Japan convinced Mikes that he was among well-mannered people. What do the people of Japan highly respect according to Mikes? One another's privacy. Means the people are highly respecting about their privacy life, about their courtesy life. What did the D do after bowing to Mike's in Japan? Means snatched the food. Jumped and snatched the little food bag from George Mike's. George Mike's compared the act of two Japanese bowing to an early American traffic law. Compares the act of two Japanese bowing as like a American traffic law. Early American traffic law, not now. According to Mike's, bowing girls in Japan are equal to page boys. Know that who stands on the gate? A girl stands on the gate. Which gate? Restaurant gate, mall gate, or anywhere in the marketing place. In the marketing place, in the shop or anywhere, a girl stood there, and who comes for them bowing. To them they call page boys. Page boys. As soon as a driver notices a pedestrian step off the pavement in Brazil, he regarding him as a fair game. See, as soon as a driver notices to pedestrian step up the pedestrian pavement in Brazil, then they make it as like a fair game. Means making a more accelerator to drive fast, more accelerator or drive fast, as like a they feel themselves as like a fair game, not angry, not means not do like any loudly or any sorry. The Avenida Presidente Vargas in Brazil is described by Mike's as the worst place. Already have been once again, just simply that. See, then thank you. So these many questions I have brought from that lessons. 28 questions. In that only might have come, but the answers are same. Might be some questions way of asking is little bit changed, but answers are same. So just you have to, when they ask questions in the exams, you have to understand the meaning of questions, then you write the answer. Answers are almost all here while explaining the summaries and this one mark questions. See, all you can easily understood. So if you read, go through about this chapter, first explain in two period, and then the third one is explaining a summary of that. Given a summary. In fourth one, the 1 mark questions. In the last questions tomorrow, in next class, I am going to give a 4 marks answer and 6 marks answers. Okay, thank you one and all.